Bullseye.
That?
Alright, you're done. That's on. That on. You see it?
Yeah.
Bullseye red. Oh, nick the top of that square. Nick that bullseye square. Nicked in the corner, top right corner.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you nicked it. You do it again, then. Side by side, right next to it.
Yeah.
Or underneath it, to the right of it. I mean, the bottom right, maybe like a centimeter down to it. Corner again of that square box in the middle. But you can't hit the bullseye again. Up, down,
Down to
2
the
inches to the right of it.
Yeah, to the right of it. Yeah, that's what I figured. Alright. It's shooting pretty good.
It's not it's not 2 inches to the right. It's 2 inches down and an inch to the right. No, half an inch to the right. So you're on the bullseye level, but 2 inches to the right of the bullseye. So keep aiming at the same shit to see how it goes.
Yeah.
You gotta shut off your sight. It's still on.
Oh, dead on bullseye, but on the top of the square.
Top of the square?
Dead on the middle, but top of the square. It would consider be a bullseye. I would consider that bullseye still. You hit the line of it. Right on the line at the top of the square.
Much better.
Straight in the middle. Dead center. Bullseye, dead center. Dead center.
Got it.
What do you have to aim at? I'll keep going.
I'm aiming to the bottom right of the square. Because I know I'm pulling it up.
So bottom right of the bullseye?
Bottom right of the square, of the center square.
Of the bullseye.
Because when I pull it, the nozzle goes up.
Okay. The bullseye? You're aiming for the bullseye square.
Both sides square, the bottom right of
Okay.
it.
Okay. Hey, that's actually really good because it's supposed to travel higher than, especially at this meter. I mean the yardage.
762
You
by
probably
39
dead on.
millimeter.
Bullseye again.
Got a bigger
Bottom corner.
thumb. Got a bigger thumb to it.
When you get the glass, you can see the actual lines. You got scope of it. From 22, you
Yep.
can see the lines.
When you dialed in like that,
Yeah, it locks back. I forgot about that. I think you'll
he
slam
gave me-
forward.
he gave me
if
a
it's,
plate.